I'm Jess. Thanks for coming by to my channel. 2 weeks ago I asked you if you would like to see a grungier makeup look in the channel, and most of you said yes. Not most of you, only 2 of my friends answered to that question, but anyways, I will pretend like I got lots of answers, because why not? So, we are doing that. To be able to make things easier, I will just take off my wig and use a buff like this. If you don't know what's the deal with that, you can just click here and watch the video that I made about this. There is not too much info about it, but yeah, it will be enough for you to understand the situation, I guess. So yeah, let's just take this off. That looks a little bit weird, but I will get used to it. It is better and easier for me to do my makeup like this. I don't want to suffer, and I feel like doing the makeup this way. I will put the wig back when the whole look is complete, so don't worry, you will see all of it coming together. And if you are not used to seeing someone like this, I am not used to seeing myself like this in front of the camera either. We will get used to it. Also, I forgot to open my lights. Okay, my undertone is yellow, but this foundation is more yellower, more yellow than my undertone. So I don't know how is that possible. I don't have any product next to my eyebrows, so I will just use my concealer brush and take the rest of the foundation. Also, I feel like it is a lot better to do my eyebrows first and then apply my foundation, because every time I start doing my eyebrows after my foundation, I start getting angry because I see the foundation getting removed. Also, drawing my eyebrows isn't that easy when I have something wet as a base. With the skincare I do, I feel like the texture around my nose got a little bit better. I feel like doing another video explaining the things I do and the products that I use. I don't know. I was someone who had no idea about skincare, and suddenly I started to grow an interest to skincare, and now I feel like skincare affects my makeup a lot. So if you want to make sure that your makeup performs a lot better on your skin, I feel like you should know about skincare. For eyeshadows, I planned on using this palette. I mean, it is probably the only palette that has this dark colors. I will take this color for a crease. Yes, I have a makeup channel and I can do my own makeup. Let's take a blending brush, and I am taking the same color again and apply it to the outer corner. Let's do both eyes at the same time to see the difference between them. I hope you can hear me clearly because the microphone is a bit more down than usual. So I'm not sure if I'm speaking loud enough. Did you start doing decorations for Christmas or New Year? I don't know, whichever you are celebrating. In here we don't really celebrate Christmas, but we start having the decorations out for New Year. Let's make the outer corner darker with this black. Let's bring the black until the middle part. And here's the thing, if you want to have a better transition between 2 shades when you are working for the middle part, try to make the eyeshadow come like this. Instead of having a straight line, try to make it a little bit more like this. I don't know how to go, but you understand what I'm trying to say. And also, I know that I said this in one of my videos, but if you want to be precise with the blending, it's better to hold the brush from the tip of it. So if you want to blend it to a bigger place, hold it from the end. But if you want to be precise, hold it like this. The color scheme in here is pinkish and reddish, so I don't have too much options to go with, but at the same time I don't want to go towards pinkish look. So I don't know what to do, help me. Maybe I can use this brush. This brush is a little bit wet since I just cleaned it, and I am not sure how the eyeshadow will perform while the brush is wet. I hope it won't be patchy. Don't use your eyeshadows when your brush is wet, unless they are shimmers. Why do I feel like doing the lower lash line brings the whole look together? And let's go with the inner corner color. I will go with this one. It has a pinkish undertone, but it is the only color that I can use for inner corner, so I have to. So we can make this look a little bit more precise with concealer. I still can't use the other concealer from Colourpop. I don't know. I didn't like that one and I'm scared to use it. Let's use the new one, pretty fresh one. Maybe a little bit more. I am not sure. It is way too round in the edge, and that's not a good looking eyeshadow. I don't know what to do. This isn't sharp enough. It is so bad. I wish I could like this product like I do with the foundation, because they're in the same series kinda. I really like the foundation but not the concealer. Maybe if I use more product. I am trying to clean off the edges with the excess concealer that I have on my brush. Okay, this eye looks better than this one. Maybe I should use, at the same time, I had to take off the excess product with Beauty Blender. So I am not sure what's the deal with that. But I don't know, to me this is way too watery. Maybe it's because I am used to using the other concealer from Colourpop, and I like the thickness of that concealer. This wouldn't be a concealer that I would think about buying it again. Okay, I will do my eyeliner and be right back. I wanted to have a little bit more bolder look with the eyeliner, but I ended up making my eyeshadow disappear because that's how it is. Every time I try to do a bolder eyeliner, it ends up like this. And also, I wanted to use gel eyeliner to make it a little bit thicker, but for some reason I feel like the brush that I'm using for this gel liner doesn't work, and I don't know, it doesn't look good from close-up, I think. Yeah, it isn't that perfect, and I didn't have the brush to make the lines a little bit more straight. So yeah, it's not the most good looking eyeliner that I had. I don't know. I don't like how it looks, and also my eyeshadow work doesn't look right now because of the thickness of the eyeliner. I try to make it a little bit less thick, but once you start doing mistakes, you have to go for a bolder look, and it ends up covering your whole eyelid, and that was the case in this one too. I need to have a better brush for gel eyeliner. Until that, I don't think that I will use this anymore, because I feel like 1, it makes it worse. 2, I spent too much time trying to fix it. 3, it makes me angry. I feel like doing my go-to blush look like this, but at the same time, I don't think that it will suit for this look. I will go with this one. This has a little bit of pink undertone, so it's not like orange. Where? Here. I will use this one because I feel like it's been a long time since I used this. And also this highlighter has a purpley undertone, purple pinkish undertone. I feel like it will suit better for the eye look. Okay, this doesn't have any shine. After getting used to the shine that I get from the Wet n Wild one, I feel like this doesn't do anything. My under eye is so bad. Now I need to take off my lipstick that I have. I stress bite my lips, okay? So don't come at me when you see them. Should I go with black? This looks nice. But at the same time, it's been a long time since I used the black. I don't know. This one. I will use this one. This doesn't look grungy. This looks glam. For the finished look, let's put on the wig. And that is the final look. I feel like it's fine. I mean, the mistakes that I did isn't too obvious, so I feel like I can go out with this makeup and it wouldn't be a big problem. The only thing that I am not comfortable about is the under eye. I mean, I can already see the lines getting obvious because of the concealer that I used, which is probably would be the only thing that I would change in this makeup. But other than that, I really like how it turned out, and especially with this wig, I feel like this kind of makeup suits more. If you have any suggestions about which makeup looks I should do in my next videos, please tell them in the comment section below, and also share your thoughts about the makeup look that I did. And yeah, I guess that's it for now. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Hi. And yeah. Yes, like this. Now I look like a queen. Can I even put this on when I have the wig? Do I need to? How do you style this? I have no idea. If you know how to style this stuff, tell me. I have no idea.